want to say. If you are with a Haitian woman, you're trying to keep her into, you try to take the light away from her, you have to get ready to fight. Because we are fighter in the spirit, right? The Lord don't let us to be in the darkness. And when we decided to put harness down, nobody can stop us. We are fearless people, and we are standing for justice. Haitian people is one group of people in the black country, in the black community, who refuse to stay in slavery. And I think people, they don't understand what Haiti is dealing with is deeper than that. They refuse to give the land to own by other people who just want to come building resort like they do to the rest of the Caribbean, while Haitians are not the owners. We never been people who own by others. We fought for us to own by God and herself. So this is in her blood to be owners of herself after the Lord. So we refuse to we don't believe in slavery. We don't believe in abusing. We don't believe in oppression. And we believe in justice. When it comes to justice, we will fight for the right thing. And if we have to die for what is right, we don't have no issue to die for it, because we understand that peace, justice, independence, freedoms, sometimes blood has to shed. But we will do it first by calling on God, and God will make a way for us. I truly believe Haiti gonna have the peace that God wants to bring to the country, to the nation. And don't ever try to keep us into darkness, because the light will always be on us. Have a wonderful day.